The construction of the Egyptian pyramids, particularly the Great Pyramid of Giza, remains one of the greatest engineering mysteries of the ancient world. Built over 4,500 years ago during the 4th dynasty, circa 2580 to 2560 BCE. For Pharaoh Khufu, these massive structures have captivated historians, archaeologists, and engineers for centuries. Here's a deep dive into the theories and facts surrounding the construction of these colossal monuments. Who built the pyramids? Contrary to popular myths of slave labor, the pyramids were built by a large workforce of skilled laborers and seasonal workers, not enslaved people. Evidence from worker villages near the Giza Plateau suggests that workers were well-fed and housed in purpose-built towns. Labor was likely seasonal, with farmers working on the pyramids during the Nile's annual flooding when agricultural work was impossible. Skilled artisans and engineers directed the construction. The workforce was massive, with estimates suggesting around 20,000 to 30,000 workers at a time. How heavy are the pyramids? The Great Pyramid of Giza weighs approximately 6 million tons, consisting of limestone blocks, the primary material for the pyramid's core; granite blocks, used for the king's chamber and sourced from Aswan, 800 kilometers away; Tura limestone, smooth white limestone for the outer casing, giving it a polished finish. Each block weighed between 2 and 15 tons, with the heaviest granite blocks reaching up to 80 tons. How were the stones transported? Transporting millions of heavy stones was a monumental challenge without modern technology. Several theories attempt to explain how the blocks were moved from quarries to the pyramid site. Quarrying and extraction. Blocks were quarried using copper tools, as bronze and iron were not yet available. Workers would carve channels around the blocks and then break them free using wooden wedges soaked in water, causing expansion and splitting the stone. River transport, Nile proximity. The Nile River was closer to the pyramid site at the time, and it's believed that a network of canals was created to float the stones closer to the pyramid base. Extraordinary precision. The pyramid is aligned with the cardinal points, N, S, E, W, with less than 0.05 degrees of error. The sides of the pyramid are nearly perfectly straight, despite the massive scale. The dimensions of the pyramid closely align with pi and the golden ratio, leading some to speculate advanced mathematical knowledge. The construction of the pyramids was a monumental achievement, showcasing the ancient Egyptians' ingenuity, organization, and architectural mastery. Though many details remain mysterious, the evidence suggests a combination of skilled labor and advanced planning. Simple tools enhanced with clever engineering strategies. The use of ramps, sleds, and water transport for moving the massive stone blocks. The pyramids continue to inspire awe as one of the most iconic wonders of the ancient world, blending science, art, and spirituality into a single breathtaking structure.